Hello my YouTube family, my name is Mukesh Janwa and you're watching my YouTube channel. I am back with a very beautiful exercise which most of you facing problem, that is how to put grammar into practice. But before we keep this demonstration of practice round, you need to learn the previous video. You have to watch the grammar because we are not going to explain grammar into this video. We are going to have demo on present simple tense, how to put present simple tense into the sentence structures. So you also practice as we both. I have Himanshu with me and we are going to have a practice round on present simple tense. Before that you watch previous video, then do practice as we are going to do with anyone. It may be your brother, sister or any family member or friends. So shall we start, Himanshu?
Yes sir, let's start.
Let's practice on present simple tense. Himanshu, I always get up early, and do you?
Yes sir, I get up early.
Do you?
Yes sir, I do.
He replied, I do. But what I said, I get up early, and same question I'm asking to someone else, then no need to speak the full sentence, do you get up early? You can simply say, do you? And he replied, I get up early, and second time he can say, yes, I do. Okay, let's take one example. Himanshu, do you smoke cigarette?
No sir, I don't.
No, well, I don't smoke cigarette, but do you?
No sir, I don't smoke cigarettes.
So here, I said do you. I don't have to ask negative sentence also in this way. In shortcut, you can ask, I don't smoke cigarette. Do you?
No sir, I don't.
He said, I don't. This is the best way, okay? Let's take on third person. Sure. Your brother, I'm going to ask habit of your brother. Himanshu, I always go for walk. What about your brother? Does he?
Yes sir, he goes for walk.
Does he?
Yes sir, he does.
Very nice. So he said he does. So we don't need to say he goes for walk every time. In shortcut, you can give answer. Let's take one more negative example, okay? Himanshu, I don't drink alcohol. You don't drink alcohol. But about your brother, does he?
No sir, he doesn't drink alcohol.
Does he?
No sir, he doesn't.
He doesn't. So in negative also you can say he doesn't. So this is the round we have taken on do you, does he. Same, you should practice having more examples because these are few limited examples. You need to practice minimum 15 to 20 example, and I make you sure if you don't practice you are not gonna get fluency, right? So practice as we have suggested in this demo session. Write your feedback also, that do you want us to continue on all grammatical structure, this type of video? Then write your feedback into the chat box. In case many people say that we can understand you but sir, we cannot speak like you. So if you want to join our group discussion, online group discussion, advanced English, spoken English or IELTS preparation courses, then call us or contact us on the given number in the video. And if we don't pick the call guys, then drop message on WhatsApp. Sometime we are busy taking live classes, we don't pick the call, right? So that's enough guys. Write your feedback into the chat box. We'll be right back having the new exercise in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.